I'm here with Kathy Diocese. She is the chair of the kitchen at Ascension Parish, and we are making meatballs and sauce today.
This is tomato puree, tomato paste, and tomato sauce.
How many batches of sauce do you make for your festival?
For the festival, probably 16 batches
Of all these ingredients?
of all these ingredients. Everything is fresh for the festival.
Oh, that's delicious. Now, I'm sure at home we do not have pots
Pots
this
this
size,
big, no.
but
No.
it's coming along. So every can gets filled up with water.
Yes. Yeah, you've got thick,
Gotta use your muscles on
you've
this
got
one.
thick paste in there, so you have to mix it till it's all one consistency.
Okay. Didn't get my workout in today. This is it. Oh, you have to whisk a little
You
bit.
kind of have to whisk it.
Okay, that's
'Cause
the
it's-
secret.
Yeah, you gotta whisk it.
Ingredient time.
Garlic powder,
Basil, parsley, pepper, onion flakes.
salt, sugar. It's pretty much a quarter of a cup of about everything in here.
So we would have to modify it for home recipes.
Yes. Not unless you're planning on making sauce for a year.
So how long do you let this cook then?
Approximately 2 hours.
2 hours.
This is the pork roast that we pre-cook it about an hour. All of the nice little bits and pieces give it a flavor.
I would like a piece of that when the sauce is done.
That's Father Paul's. You'll have to ask him.
Okay, I will. He should share. Now it's time to make the meatballs. So step one would be what, Penny?
Well, the first thing we do is to add the breadcrumbs,
And these are homemade breadcrumbs.
homemade breadcrumbs. And this is the Parmesan cheese. And we have garlic powder or salt, pepper, and parsley.
Next would be the eggs.
And then we add the water.
Okay, so you mix all of that together. So now you let this sit a little
Sit a
bit?
little bit.
Okay. And then we will be adding 10 pounds of meat, and that is ground beef and pork as well. So I know we have an assembly line waiting for us, so they are just patiently waiting for the meatballs to be ready to assemble down the line. So with the 10 pounds of meat, how many meatballs are we going to make today?
I'm not exactly sure, but I'm thinking 80.
We're making one giant meatball today. So we just take an ice cream scoop here. So every meatball has the same amount of meat in it. We take this down to another section here. Our assembly line. Okay, this is how it's done. And then we'll put them in the convection oven, and they cook for
Approximately 15 minutes. I will
15
tempt them.
minutes. Now it's time to sample the meatballs. Is there anything else we would need to do before we bite into these delicious meatballs?
Just add the sauce.
Add the sauce. Okay, let's add the sauce. Beautiful texture. First dibs. Wow, look at that meatball. Okay, bon appetit. Mmm. Perfect meatballs. For anyone that would like to share the recipe with your family, you can please visit theaxononline.org, where we will have it scaled down to home recipes.